we're finally here, and I finally made it home. And I got some cool stuff. I still don't get it how I did it. But look, the town, it's here. Mario and Luigi are here. They're here right now. I gotta go see them. Hey bro, we're over here. And did you find Link? That's the thing. I didn't. How come? You should have found him. He should have been around those walls. Anywhere. Did you? It's a train. I want to go on that train so bad. But yes, you should have been on KFC. Did you check KFC? Yeah, I checked KFC. Trust me. For myself as a chicken, I did KFC. I wish I didn't, but I did. Oh wow, you checked everywhere in this town. He sure hunker-doodle did, but he can't do anything because now we're stuck here, and we still have no evidence of where Link could possibly be. Besides that train, he could be in that. He could be anywhere around here. Honestly, he could be anywhere. But we accept you, Newfoundland. I know. I just got a little distracted and I couldn't find Link. So what did you really do then? If I tell you what I really did, you won't get mad at me. Sure, what did you do? I robbed a couple stores. Really? Yeah, KFC. I had to do that and that one store.
It's 11 minutes.
Oh. That's why. And that's why I was so mad at you. Why the heck do you look like an Oompa Loompa? That's a question for another day. The main question is, he tried to rob the superstore. So what are you gonna do, homeless man? I don't know, I got these, I'm a gnome and I have these little barriers. Doesn't that mean you're a furry? No, I'm not. Okay, well guys, if you guys are going to keep on arguing, I'm just going to go to the pool. So, don't bother me. Maybe even the gym too. Just do what you guys want. Okay, I really don't care. Here we go. We're trying to find the pool.
I don't think this is where the pool is.
Yeah, I guess you're right. The mysterious man that I don't know of. Where could this pool possibly be?
Could it be in there?
I would say so.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here we go, going downstairs. Pool level. This should be it. Finally taking a break from all of them. Yep. Let's go. Let me use my key. There we go. Takes a little while for a Koopa to get inside, but here we are. Inside. Birds. And there's the gym. It's not that bad. Well, I mean, I guess I could take a little rest over here. Let's go. Yeah. Let's get out of here. I should just go meet my friends. There's like nobody here. And there's no lifeguard, so you know I can't go swimming without any lifeguards. Yeah. But I really want to watch the show. But you know what? Let's get going. Okay, get out of here. Go, go, go! I wonder what my friends are doing right now. Don't know, but we're about to find out. They don't even know I'm going anywhere. Yeah, I could just go down these fancy stairs if I desire on. Let's go down, shall we? Oh, look at that. It's so fancy and rich. Come on, y'all, we gotta get out of here. This place is horrible. Come on. Let's get out of here. Yeah! Look at that. I'm leaving this place. Hopefully Mario doesn't know. You know, I'd be pretty mad if he knows, right? Right? Oh my goodness. It's an Mario like Luigi's. Luigi. There's a store named after you. Look, it's open. Oh, Garfield would love some of lasagna. And there's KFC too. There's Cracker in that rainbow place. I don't know the name. There it is, the train. I see it, but we might be late. I don't want to be late for the train. The train, we gotta go. Gotta go. $1 store. Get on that train. Gotta go to that train. Look, the guy's just standing there. But there's the train. There it is. We need to go. Looks like there's something going on back here. There we are. I'm inside the train. There it is. Corner Brook. About to get going anytime soon. He's going on. He's going on. We're about to get going. We're getting in. What? We're going. Yay. Wow. We're going. There it is. We're getting out of here. I see him. He's just going down waving to me. Yeah, we'll continue looking. Maybe go on the other window. Yeah. I swear I see Mario. There we go. Oh, there's a water fountain. It's City Hall. We're going. It's full. Oh yeah. Here we are. I see him on the other window too. Yep. Good, Mario. Alright, I'm gonna keep an eye on him. Go back to the main one. That was a long day at the train. There goes the train again. I can't tell if it's gone for the final time. And let's go to the dollar store. Yeah, dollar store. I'll be back, guys. Bye, Mr. Train. Bye. That's good. Sorry, y'all. This looks like Target. Wait, it's the train store. I didn't even think about this. Look, they even got these two like cream stuff and this catchy music. Excuse me, but what the heck? I'm in avocado. Chunky soup. Chunky soup. Chunky soup. Meet Super Toad. Hi, pal. How you going? I should try these someday. Or try them out right now. What the heck? Oh, he's playing bongos. Fairy Princess Unites. Get me out of here. I'm such a great singer. Just kidding, I'm not a great singer.
He's battery.
Hands up, I will shoot. There's boats, and there's a boat, and there's another boat. That lady's fake, but you think what I'm thinking. Do I feel bad? Nah. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, the pool was fine, I guess. I went in it for a little bit, and yeah, I say it's pretty good. Say, have you seen Toad anywhere lately? No, why? Cause he's lost. Where's Newfoundland? Trust me, you don't want to know. I think he wants to know, dude. You don't want to find out. Where's that gnome guy? Oh, Brickleberry? I don't know, is that his name? I guess. He is, guess what he's doing? Why do I hear Family Feud? What do you think he's doing?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how clear is your conscience?
I don't know.
10. Try again.
Mine says 0.
Name something you do to cakes.
Bake.
Try again.
Decorate.
Cut.
Name a place
That was
where
not a bad
even
one.
shy people will sing.
Bar.
Question again.
Name a place where shy people
What?
will sing.
Yeah, trust me, dude. He's been there like all the time, man. Yeah. Probably has. Yeah. Why did I just see ginormous light? Don't ask. Well, okay, then who's gonna keep an eye on Toad? Mario, you go keep an eye on Toad. Okay, fine. I will. He'll be back. Oh, candy. Candy. I think I want to stay in here for a little bit. I'll be back, guys. So let's go inside. Guys, I think Toad's pretty much done. Yeah, he probably is. Well, why don't you just sit down? You think Toad would be fine? I mean, we've seen him a couple times. Yeah. Wherever Toad is, he's probably fine though, Mario. Just leave the rest of the day and stay here for the night. Sad news, we did not find Link yet. Yeah, but we'll probably find him tomorrow. Just stay tuned. Hello? Anybody in here? Think you could be out? The lights just went out. Oh, God.